Gentlemen, brace yourself, because unless you're prepared to be even sexier than you already are, you might not know how to handle all of the senoritas running and coming for your sexy ass. Gentlemen, today I'm going over 10 ways to instantly be more attractive. Number 1 is wear the color red. Gentlemen, in 2010, there was a study. It showed all these women, all these dudes in different colors. Now, guys are like, yo, I look incredible in blue. I look incredible in green or black. But what they found is that women were more sexually attracted to dudes wearing red. Number 2 is man spread. Gentlemen, it's all about spreading out. The reason is because when you occupy space, right, your legs are a little bit stretched out, your arms are kind of all like out and about, this is a symbol of dominance. And when you're sitting there and you're all like, hi, my name is Brad, not sexy, sup, Brad. See, there's a difference. Number 3, hang out with your friends. Research has shown that people in groups appear more attractive than when you're just by yourself. They call it the cheerleader effect, and it kind of makes sense, right? When you see a group of cheerleaders, you're like, damn, oh my God, they're so amazing, they're so sassy, they're so spicy. When you isolate each individual cheerleader and really look at them, you're like, yo, you're okay. It's about the group, right? Same thing happens when you're with your boys, right? You're all hanging out. 3, 4, 5, 6 handsome strapping studs. Spicy senorita looks over, locks eyes on the group, and all of you look more attractive. Number 4 is smile slower. Smile slower. Let your smile sort of develop, as opposed to Journal of Nonverbal Behavior found that guys that let their smile sort of develop a little bit slower were viewed as more attractive, more trustworthy, as opposed to dudes that just like, bang, flash their smile super quick. So the takeaway is that when you want to start flirting with somebody, you see them across the room and you want to smile at them, let it happen a little bit slower. This is viewed as more trustworthy, as more sexy, as more confident. Speaking of looking sexy, more confident, more trustworthy, and smarter, the 5th thing that anybody can do super easy in order to look sexier to women is wear glasses. True or false? When you see a pretty girl and she's wearing glasses, she automatically goes from like an 8 to like a 12.5. Same damn thing happens to you. It's an AaMalphaM scientific fact that men that wear glasses are viewed as more attractive, more trustworthy, and smarter. And if you are somebody who is looking to wear super dope, sexy ass pair of frames, you gotta hit that link down below. Go check out today's video sponsor, GlassesUSA.com. GlassesUSA.com has cut out the middleman, which means they can offer you a crazy selection of incredibly beautiful, well-made, affordable frames at a ridiculous price. GlassesUSA.com has over 4,000 different frames for you to pick from. They've got your regular high-end brands like Oakley, Armani, Gucci, Ray-Ban. Their house brand, Muse, ridiculous. And the price, like, you're not gonna believe it. You're gonna get frames 70% cheaper than you're gonna find somewhere else. Complete sets of glasses start at $30. This includes a basic prescription on a super cool, badass, sexy pair of frames. GlassesUSA.com also has something called the virtual mirror, which is totally addicting. Even if you don't need frames, guys, hit that link down below and go try. You upload a picture and then you can check out and try on all the different frames that they have and see how they look on their face. We've got free shipping, free returns, 100% money back guarantee for 14 days. So if you get your glasses and you're like, I'm not really sure, I'm not really feeling it, no big deal. 365-day product warranty. Guys, it's risk-free shopping. Seriously, hit that link down below, GlassesUSA.com, and check out our custom landing page. I've gone through and curated some super dope, badass frames that I think you're gonna love. I think the ladies are gonna think are dynamite on your sexy ass, and you're just gonna look mysterious, dark, super sexy. Number 6 is stop taking selfies. Gentlemen, selfies are viewed as unattractive. You know what else is unattractive? Shirtless pics. Like, women want to know that you look good, that you're in shape, that you take care of yourself, but when you blatantly try and flaunt it, it makes you look like a huge egomaniac, aka douche. Number 7 is upgrade your shoes. There is a direct correlation between wearing cool shoes that are sexy, stylish, and you being perceived as more attractive, because the truth is, women notice shoes. Your shoes can make or heartbreaking outfit. You can have like a great outfit on, right? You're looking killer, amazing. But then the shoes, if they suck, the outfit you're wearing, it sucks. She'll see you, she'll see your face. She's like, oh my God, he's handsome. She sees your body, she's like, wow, he works out. His style, amazing. She gets to your shoes, she's like, oh my God. Ew. Pay attention to your shoes. You should also pay attention to number 8, speaking of shoes, which is your walk. Gentlemen, how do you walk? If you want to be perceived as more confident, more sexy, more stylish, did I say more confident? You got to make sure that the body language that you're projecting is confident as well. When you're walking, right? You want to walk with a nice medium pace. Your chest needs to be up, your shoulders back. If you're always looking down, sort of shuffling, strolling along, maybe you're looking at your phone, maybe you're just not making eye contact, the quickest, easiest thing you can do is put your phone away, head up, shoulders back, walk like you mean it, look people in the eye. You smell incredible, but here's the thing. It's not just about the smell. What happens, research has shown that when dudes actually apply cologne, their confidence goes up. The reason their confidence goes up is because in their head, they think, hey, I just put on cologne. I smell it, I feel sexier. When you feel sexier, you look sexier. And last, but certainly not least, the 10th simple thing anybody can do to look instantly more attractive is volunteer. It's all about helping other people. Now, here's the thing. I'm not saying to volunteer just so that you look sexy, but it's a byproduct. Not only do you feel amazing because helping other people is one of the things that is definitely going to impact the way that you feel, the way that you view yourself and your self-esteem. And when your self-esteem goes up, you feel better, right? But the thing is, when other people see you being kind and see you helping other people, you look more attractive. Now, should you do it just to look more attractive? The answer is no. Is it an interesting and sexy byproduct? The answer is yes.